Firehose cabinet. So let's see for the detailed information about the material inside of the firehose cabinet here. So let's check for the details. Like the first image, it is the fire hose drills, manual hose drill, rubber fire hose. In this video, we explain all and the material inside. And the next, we are going to view about the fire hose. It is a high pressure fire hose, water discharge, and get valves. And they also skirt about the cabinet stainless steel. The cabinet protects equipment. This is the material that we use with the fire hose cabinet. We can use for normal steel or the stainless steel. It's accordingly to the requirement of the owners. Okay, here's all about explain about the material or the component inside of the fire hose cabinet here. You can check for the video for more detail. Okay, let's check the explanations. So we skirt all the part name of the accessory inside of the fire hose cabinet here. You can see step by step, like number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, and the specifications at the right side here. Okay, and we also skirt the note for the information. And this is the whole explanation of the fire hose cabinet here. You can see a whole photo here for the detail that we have talked about, that we have talked at the first.